Alright, so we're back here with another video on the Chimera7, but this time I got a more appropriately sized battery for this motor setup. So with a bigger motor, of course, you're going to be able to carry a lot more payload, and I got a 3300 milliamp hour 6S LiPo from Auline. This is obviously much bigger than the 1300 that I flew on the original video. So I think the 1300 was like 242 grams, and this 3300 is 433 grams, so like 191 grams more, but you get 2,000 more milliamp hours. However, you can definitely carry even a bigger battery than this if you want to get even longer flight time. You can probably go up to the 4,000 milliamp hour, sorry, the 4,200 milliamp hour 6S, which also is sold by Auline. Similar in dimensions, I think it's a little bit wider, slightly longer, and it's 565 grams for another 900 milliamp hours. So it's what, 433. It's like 130 grams more for about 900 milliamp hours more. So 4,200 milliamp hour 6S. I'll put links to all these batteries down in the description. The availability is kind of limited, so if you do happen to see it, you probably want to get it like right away. There's they don't really have a whole lot of these bigger batteries in stock in a lot of these stores. I think Pyrodrone and Airblade UAV are going to be carrying these right now, but check back later if you don't see the store you like. I'll update the description later as more stock is available in other stores. So I'm not sure how long I can fly this around for. I'm probably going to take some breaks. I think the 1300 flew around for like 6 or 7 minutes. So this is going to be significantly longer, although it's not quite going to be like, double or triple, because as you add more weight, it does drain energy faster because it's drawing more current. So let's see. I'll take some breaks here and see. I'm going to try and run the battery down from, I think, the 4.2 volts per cell to about 3.5 volts per cell. This is a lithium polymer pack, so you don't want to go too low. You can go lower on a lithium ion pack, but this one I'm only going to go to 3.5 volts, so you don't want damage to battery. And that's going to be about 21 volts total, I think, on 6S. So yeah, and I'm not going to bother recording the GoPro footage because it's going to be boring. I'm just going to be going around in circles. I'm going to speed up the footage. So yeah, just if you want to see the full flight recorded on the air unit, yeah, I may put that up as a separate video, but this is mostly going to be sped up. Mostly just want to see how long we can fly on a 3300 6S. Okay, sorry for the long intro, and here's the flight footage.